Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I'm back with another modification that you might want to do to your GT40 or the Ford GT build from DeAgostini Collectibles. And that is, once again, wire routing. And the reason why I'm coming out with this video, because you want to probably do it at this stage before everything else goes together. And at the very end of this build, the final stage, is when we finally hook up those taillight wires off the rear deck. Now, I'm going to show you in the video, but the wires number 8 and number 9 run off the side here, and they don't tell you what to do with them. I went ahead and modified mine so that way they won't intrude on the engine compartment and around the engine and all that, and look kind of, if you ask me, look kind of bad. I've looked at some other builds online, and they're just kind of hanging in there in the way in the engine compartment. So if you do this mod, it should work out fine, and they'll be hidden away and won't be seen. So let's get started. In preparation of running these rear brake lights and tail lights to the back of the GT40, I'm going to do a modification because I really don't want the wires running this way inside the engine compartment and hooking up to those lights as they want you to. I'd rather run it, you know, from underneath and to the back like that. Now I can always pigtail the power if the wires are too short, but I think in order to modify this, I want to run the wires behind these supports back down inside, and I'm going to drill a hole right about there. Okay, so take my Dremel tool, and I'm just going to run a hole right there. Go ahead and put a drill bit in this now. It's kind of marked where I want it. Take and clean it up a little bit. That's good there. Now, you can kind of see the hole way back there. You can see the hole there. So I'll run the first wire to it. Actually, it'd probably be easier to pull the wire out. Okay. Take the wire, run it through the hole. Okay, so I fed the wire through, and now I just need to plug it back in. Go. That's back in. Take the other one out. Run that through. There it is. Plug that back in. There we go. All back in. And all the wiring is tucked out of the way and coming through to the front of the chassis. So now all I need to do is to seal that hole with this black tulip, and it's a very thick paint. And that's what that looks like there. So we actually don't hook up these wires until the final stage of this build, so we'll see how that goes then. Stay tuned for that. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and please smash that thumbs button. Happy modeling, everybody. Take care.